Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to add custom styles to our forms. Let's say we have this sign up form that needs to look better. Let's bring up our code editor and get started. All right, so let's start by giving a background color to our web page. So let's add the styles here. Let's say background color, light blue. Let's save it. All right, let's give our form an ID. Let's say register form. And let's add some custom style to our form element. So let's add the style element here. And because it's an ID, so register form. Let's give it a width, say 300 pixels. Let's give it a background color. Let's say white. Let's save it. And as you can see, we've got a form with a white background. So coming back here, let's give it some padding. So let's say padding 24 pixels. So we've got a nice padding here. All right. So coming to the input elements, let's wrap these in some elements. So let's say P. So if you're going with P, we wouldn't need break line. Let's save it. Similarly, let's wrap this also in P. Let's give our label a class. Let's say input label. Let's add this class here as well. Let's wrap the password label as well. Similarly for confirm password. Similarly for gender. Same way for security question. And that's it. Let's save it. And as you can see, now our labels have a default margin because the paragraph tag has a default margin. So let's change all of that. So it's a class, so dot and input label. Let's remove all the margin first. So margin 0, let's save it. So as you can see, all the margin is gone. Let's add a little margin bottom. So let's say 4 pixels. Let's save it. And let's add a margin top, say 12 pixels. Let's save it. All right, now let's make our input fields take full width of the form. So let's give it a class, say input item. Let's add this class to all these input boxes. So here, 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 then over here for the security question, for the text area. That's it. Let's save it. Let's add some stylings to that class. So input item. Let's give it a width, say 100%. Let's save it. And now, as you can see, our input items are taking the full width of the form. Okay, let's add some space between our text box and the checkbox. So this is our checkbox. Let's give it an ID. Let's say terms check. Let's copy this. Let's add some styles. So because this is an ID, so hash. Let's give it a margin top, say 12 pixels. And let's give it a margin bottom, say 12 pixels, because we need some space between the checkbox and the button as well. Or we can have a little more at the bottom, say 18 pixels. All right, so this is our form. Let's bring our form in the center of the screen. So For form, we've got an ID register form, which is here. All right, so to bring it in center, we can use margin auto. So let's give it margin left auto and margin right auto. Let's save it. And as you can see, our form is in the center of the screen. Let's bring the heading also in the center. So let's just give it a style here itself. So text align and center. And as you can see, the sign up text is in the center, our form is in the center, and it looks much better. That's all for today, guys. If there is something that you did not understand, feel free to drop a comment and we will discuss it. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.